Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Salesforce CRM tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a new user and how to deactivate a user in Salesforce. User management is one of the important tasks for Salesforce administrator because every employee who accesses the Salesforce must have user account. So in this video, you will learn what is Salesforce user, how to create new user, how to assign a profile and role, how to deactivate user. Make sure to watch the video until the end. You don't miss any important steps. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first we need to go with what is Salesforce user. Before creating a user, first we need to understand what is Salesforce users. A user is anyone who logs in and uses Salesforce. Each user must have a username, profile, an email address, a license. Based on these details, Salesforce control access and permissions inside the CRM. Currently, the profile is system administrator. You can take anyone like sales manager, sales executive, administrator. Each of them have different access level. So system admin can higher access level. Sales manager have their respective permissions. Then how to create new user? First we need to go to click on gear icon, click on setup. So in this window, in top search bar, search like users. So click on users. In here, you can see new user. Click on new user. So first you need to enter the name of the user. For example, I will enter like Anuj. Then we need to enter the last name. So then we need to enter the email ID. You need to specify the roles. So you already have the roles, you can directly specify. You need to specify the license. I have multiple profiles. So you need to select the multiple profile. Currently, I don't have any license. That's why it will go with standard platform user. So then in here, we have a one checkbox like generate new password and notify user immediately. If checkbox is true, if you click on save, user will be get one notification. Means this email ID. In this email ID, you will get one link to generate password. So if you don't click on this, directly you will say the user is created, but that user doesn't get any notification and he are not able to generate password. So I will click on this one and click on save. So once I save, I will log in my email. So in here, I will get one notification. So if I verify, it will automatically log to these applications. So this is how we can create users in Salesforce. Now let's learn how to deactivate a user. Deactivating users in Salesforce is important when that particular employee leaves the company. A user no longer need access. Instead of deleting the user, Salesforce allows us to deactivate the account. So how to deactivate then? Click on edit button. Currently we have a one active option. So just uncheck this one, click on OK, then click on save. So once you saved, automatically that activate button is unchecked. That user cannot able to log into Salesforce account. Sometimes you are not able to deactivate a user. So when that person is assigned in workflow emails, if the person is system administrator, they are the owner of some scheduled jobs. So in that time, we are not able to deactivate that particular users. So today we learn what is Salesforce user, how to create users in Salesforce, how to deactivate users. I hope you understand this thing. Thank you for watching.